my tulips, welcome back to my channel. If you're new tuning in, a warm welcome. So glad that you decided to check out today's video. This is a super short initial review. Today I'm going to be talking about the Batana oil. This is my first time trying this product. I have seen this Batana go around quite a lot here on YouTube. So this is what the packaging of it looks like. I did order mine from online. This is good for hair and skin, you guys. So if you've been rocking with me for quite some time, you know that I combed out or pulled out some hair around my nape area. So I'm really working towards trying to fully regrow those areas. A little bit about Batana oil. This oil encourages deep hydration. M3 Naturals Pure Batana oil for growth helps provide lost moisture to both skin and hair. This vegan Batana oil is carefully formulated to support collagen production and help reduce breakage and split ends. It embraces a more youthful glow and bouncier, stronger hair, so I like that. So this is what the top looks like, you guys. I love these tops because it allows me to go direct to those areas that really need the help of the oil, so I'm loving it. This oil supports healthy hair. It naturally helps stimulate the scalp and strengthen hair follicles to avoid breakage and split ends while bringing out your hair's natural shine. Skip product buildup and switch to an all natural hair oil for effortless luster, and this is what this oil does. So this is what it looks like, you guys. It kind of reminds me of black castor oil, but it's slightly lighter than castor oil, you guys, and it has that nutty type smell similar to black castor oil, but for the most part, so far, I really like it. So as you guys can see here, I'm just going to the various parts in my hair and I'm applying the oil, and then of course I'm going to massage it throughout my scalp while still having these braids. Also, I'm going to apply it directly to those areas in my nape to ensure that the oil hits those areas as well, so that it can help stimulate a more healthier and prosperous hair growth journey for myself. Also, you guys, this oil is sourced from Honduras, that is rich in fatty acids and vitamin, and is derived from pure and unrefined kernels I'm sorry, of the American oil palm. Relish all the beauty benefits of this Batana oil, and rest assured that each bottle is free from hexane, parabens, fragrances, and allergies. Also, you guys, this oil is good for your skin as well. FYI, just be mindful not to get it in your eyes, your ears, your nose, your mouth. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I did purchase this oil online. The price point for me was about $9.99. Of course, with taxes rounded up to $10. Would this be a repurchase for me? I don't know. Continue to follow me on my journey. Hope this video was helpful. Smooches.